Understanding umami, the fifth taste. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore fascinating aspects of the English language. Today, we're diving into a tasty topic: umami flavor. This term has a unique place in culinary vocabulary, and we're here to unravel its secrets for you. So, let's get started. Umami is often referred to as the fifth basic taste alongside sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. This Japanese word, which means pleasant savory taste, was coined in the early 20th century by a Japanese chemist named Kikune Ikeda. Umami is a taste that is rich, complex, and deeply satisfying, often described as meaty or brothy. Umami is primarily caused by the presence of glutamates, a type of amino acid found naturally in many foods. These glutamates stimulate specific receptors on the tongue, giving rise to the umami sensation. Foods like tomatoes, cheese, and meat are rich in glutamates, contributing to their savory flavor. To understand umami, it's helpful to recognize it in common foods. Some prime examples include soy sauce, a staple in Asian cuisine, known for its deep, complex flavor. Parmesan cheese, aged and rich, with a strong umami character. Mushrooms, especially varieties like shiitake, known for their savory quality. Seaweed, common in Japanese cooking, adding depth to dishes like sushi and soups. Incorporating umami in cooking can transform a dish, adding richness and depth. It's often used to balance flavors, enhancing the overall taste without overpowering. Chefs worldwide experiment with umami to create more flavorful, satisfying dishes. That's a wrap on umami flavor, a simple yet profound concept in the culinary world. We hope this video has given you a tasty insight into what umami is and how it plays a pivotal role in our food experiences. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.